Adjustable height workbenches allow you to save ideal work heights and areas with multiple shifts and users. Adjustable height workbenches are available in multiple sizes with various tabletop options, all with a rounded front edge. Workbenches can adjust in height from 28 to 45 inches with the push of a button. The 45-degree angled control panel features easy-to-use push-button controls. Simply press and hold the up or down arrows to adjust the height of the workbench. Or save up to 3 preset height adjustments and simply press and hold your preset button and the table will automatically adjust to your saved specifications. Electric motors integrated into the telescoping legs allow the height to adjust smoothly and quietly. And the sturdy frame supports up to 450 pounds, making these workbenches ideal for repair and assembly areas. Adjustable height workbenches also feature a 14-gauge steel stringer that ensures table stability. And they feature a cable management tray to keep workbench cables neatly tucked away. Whatever your material handling needs are, you can rely on Uline to have the solution.